Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Xtel, and on tonight's video I'm going to do an unboxing of my fourth bag from Fjällräven Kanken. It's my fourth bag, but it's my second backpack from this product because the other two were belt bags. So let's open because this one just arrived today. So before anything else, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's Xtel RaSuL over here. Okay, let's start this unboxing. Okay guys, time check first. It's 6:57 in the evening and the day today, it's the 9th of May 2022. Let's unbox. So I have here the paper invoice. So I purchased the mini Royal Blue Goose eye. Here it is. It's a 27-inch. It has this compartment on the front, and there's something here. So we have this one here with a seat pad. Let's check if it's gonna fit whatever is inside my bag. Obviously, my iPad, I'm gonna prioritize. I don't think it's gonna fit. It's not. Sad to say, it's not. This is my wallet from Xtel. Here's my Raven stories. My vitamins here. So I have here the carbonated drink. I'm going to bring my power bank. This is my power bank for my iPad. It's from Belkin. It's a 20,000 milliampere power bank. I have here my power bank as well from Snap Wireless, the shade of or the color of pink. This is for my phone. I'm going to put this one here. My Victoria's Secret bombshell. From Revlon, color stay satin pink, shade of 006 Eyes on You. And also I'm bringing my cord. My candy from Eclipse, strawberry flavor. This one is from Native Union. I really like this one. It's a keychain and at the same time it's a USB cable, a USB-C to lightning cable. My powder, I don't know what is this powder. And that's it. And I have my keychain here. I'm going to use this on. So it's nice, it's cute guys. Okay guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!